Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money in Motion. Today we're diving into a topic that could completely transform your life. Side hustles that can help you make extra money and elevate your financial future. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to boost your income beyond your regular 9 to 5, this video is exactly what you need. Get ready to explore the most effective and thrilling side hustle strategies that could be your gateway to a more flexible and financially rewarding life. Buckle up, because what you're about to discover might just be the catalyst for a major shift in your financial journey. 1. Freelancing, the king of side hustles. Let's kick things off with freelancing. If you possess skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, the freelance world is brimming with opportunities waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer you the chance to connect with clients globally, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home. Imagine the freedom of selecting projects you're passionate about and setting your own schedule. Freelancing is not just a side hustle. It's a gateway to independence and financial growth. 2. Online sales, your virtual storefront. Next up is online sales. Launching your own virtual store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even leveraging social media sites like Instagram and Facebook can be a fantastic way to monetize your creativity. Whether you're crafting your own products or sourcing items from suppliers, selling online opens up a world of possibilities. With dropshipping, you can even avoid the hassle of managing inventory. This is your chance to turn passion into profit and build a thriving online business. 3. Content creation. Monetize your passion. Do you have a passion or expertise you love to share? Content creation might be your ideal side hustle. From YouTube and podcasts to blogs and social media, there are endless ways to engage with an audience and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and sales. The secret lies in finding your niche and consistently delivering valuable, unique content that resonates with your followers. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a personal brand and influencing your industry. 4. Smart investments. Make your money work for you. Investing is another powerful avenue for generating additional income. Consider investing in stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. While this does require research and some patience, well-chosen investments can yield significant returns over time. Always do thorough research and consult with financial experts to maximize your investment strategy. This is about making your money work for you and paving the way to long-term financial success. 5. Teaching and tutoring. Share your expertise. Lastly, if you have specialized skills or knowledge, teaching or tutoring can be an excellent way to earn extra income. You can offer private lessons, develop online courses, or create tutorials on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Sharing your expertise not only helps others, but also creates an additional revenue stream for you. This side hustle allows you to leverage your skills while contributing to others' growth. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to dive into the world of side hustles? Remember, success starts with taking the first step. If you found this video valuable and want more tips and strategies to enhance your financial life, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Your support is crucial for us to continue bringing you valuable content and unlocking the secrets to financial freedom. Drop a comment below about which side hustle intrigues you the most, or share your experiences with any of these strategies. We'd love to hear from you and learn about your journey towards financial empowerment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.